Top of the morning, my dolls. I am back. Finally, I've been away for like quite some time, hey. But I'm back now, and I'm back with the goodies. We are doing a luxury. Let's just say an unboxing because if I say luxury, there's only one item that is not luxury, so that's fine. So we are doing an unboxing today. I know, hey, I haven't done that in a while, but I'm back like I never left. Oh my gosh, this is exactly why I was off, because I got an injury for days. Let me put the pillow here. Oh, the famba moyeni manj. I need to just elevate my leg because I've got a knee injury, but that will be taken care of very soon. For now, let's focus on the goodie. I bought this like a while ago. I don't think maybe you'll remember, but I bought this while ago while I was visiting, while we had a girls trip or girls vacation in Durban. So I bought this, the Dolce & Gabbana. I bought Gucci, and I haven't unboxed anything, so everything is gonna be like first time. Then I also bought these shoes online. You shall see. Then final unboxing is this box. Cannot wait. Okay, so what are we going to start with? I'm thinking let's start with Dolce, because why not? Why the heck not? I cannot believe I'm doing an unboxing in the middle of July. Like, who does that? Who does that? So this is what I got. If you are looking for the same designer shades that I bought, you can just search the barcode, and then they'll probably send you to straight to the website of Dolce & Gabbana, and then you'll get it. Then this is the case. Comes in a case, a black one. Then when you open, voila, so cute. And then it has das bag niana. Let's see what's inside. Oh my word, I haven't even opened this. Like, okay, I know what I bought, but you know what? And then there's Dolce & Gabbana on the side, Dolce & Gabbana on the other side. I think this is more of my speed, hey? Like, this is my vibe. Like, this is more of my vibe. Like, with an updo, and then niti ponytailing and niti pondo, so that everything can show. Very cutesy, very demure. Get into it. I'm not gonna be discussing prices because you'll be calculating our salaries and aligning them and doing whatever. And these, but yeah, I'm so excited. I haven't done this in a while, so I told myself, I was like, you know what, since I'm very sick now and I haven't been feeling my best, let me just do this unboxing so that I can officially feel like myself. Second one is Jimmy Choo. I want you. I think this unboxing is very, like, it was supposed to be done a long time ago. I didn't buy this, but my boyfriend bought this for me. I think it was a Christmas gift. Not sure. If not Christmas, it was an anniversary gift. Guys, we be getting a lot of gifts, so can't keep count. So this is it. This is my favorite perfume, actually. This and the Yves Saint Laurent one, very, very nice. Oh, love it. The Yves Saint Laurent one, I just cannot afford it. I got it once for my birthday. My friend Oma bought it for me, and then after that I was like, because ayikapheli but ngiyazibuza ukuthi mase ngidinga ukuyirefilla ngizoyenza njani because that shit is expensive. Perfume 4K. Oh, but this is my favorite. This is my favorite. I swear to God. Like, never goes out of style. This, at least it's affordable. It's around, hey, I'm not sure, guys. Let me not even discuss because my affordability might not be your affordability, or your affordability might not be my affordability. So my price tags and shit like that, let's not even entertain it. Okay, so next we have, I bought them from Shein. These are so cute. You guys are gonna die. Like, you're gonna feel bad for me that I have a knee injury. You're going to feel bad because I was supposed to be rocking these. Like, who's gonna be rocking these if I've got a knee injury? Like, and obviously second pair. Oh, you know what they look like? They look like the Yves Saint Laurent ones. I think this is the dupe of the one thing about Shein, will dupe something for us that can afford the YSL ones. Oh, they look so good. I cannot wait to get better because wow. One thing about me, I will even drag these ones and wear them. But on point, you get me. Because what? Then I also made myself a mocktail because obviously I cannot be drinking alcohol and antibiotics and pills and painkillers with alcohol. So some mocktail that I made for myself. Number last. They even, guys, you are not ready. This was the most expensive item I have ever bought in my life. Ever. I don't think I'll ever buy something this expensive. Unless just say something more to go about. But this was the most expensive thing. You know what? Let me take a picture quick. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done taking snaps. We need to hurry up because I need to watch the podcast Call Her Daddy because they've got my girl Huda from Love Island season 7. So I just want to see what she's going to say because I really didn't enjoy season 7 because they were dragging her through the mud, and that girl is a superstar. Anyways, let's open this together. Ooh, do I want to ruin this? Do I want to ruin the ribbons? I guess we kind of do, hey? You know, when you buy, like, when you have a lot of designer, the value, like, the minute you attain it, it's not as, like, I said, before attaining it. Get what I'm saying? Like, it has a my store. Then now it's like, ugh, whatever, let me get something else. Like, we're forever chasing something else. So yeah, I think these are the shoelaces, obviously. And like, it's a bit so the manual is at the manual is at the hi guys, Gucci now sometimes. Hey, but yeah, this is the dust bag. You see, and brace yourselves, give me my song. One thing about it too is for sure, oh my god, and I like platform sneakers because obviously I've got a knee problem now, and even before I didn't have like knee problems, but I used to have like my foot just used to be some type of way, you get one. So yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. This is the second pair. Oh, it smells good. Guys, money smells good. I wish I can have a lot of money because what? Smells good. This is the second pair. And I'm obviously a size 35, which is size 2. Oh. Hey, and hopefully they're not as painful, because one thing about designer is I remember my Dolce & Gabbana sneakers. Every time I wear them, I just be complaining. Hey, you know the famous ones that everybody has, I just be complaining. Those sneakers are fucking hardcore, like Ziploom. Okay, thank you guys. And I think, let me see, well, I was about to show you this, that if anybody needs the sticker, you can just scan this code, and then yeah, it'll take you directly to the Gucci website, and then you can purchase the sneaker there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll come back again with another one, or something cutesy or something fun. Let's just pack up and leave. I'm done. Give me a record. My luxury unboxing is officially done. Thank you so much. Love y'all. Stay tuned. Bye.